Baking soda, one of the most cost-effective natural remedies available, holds a plethora of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 uses of baking soda for your well-being and delve into how you can harness the power of this remarkable home remedy. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Digestive harmony, aiding in digestive issues. Baking soda proves invaluable in neutralizing stomach acid, making it a popular method for addressing digestive problems such as acid indigestion, stomach pains, and ulcers. While the pancreas naturally produces sodium bicarbonate to shield the intestines from stomach acid, using baking soda cautiously can provide temporary relief from acid reflux symptoms. Renal wellness, supporting kidney health. Research suggests that incorporating baking soda into your routine can promote kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that patients supplementing with baking soda were less likely to experience rapid progression of kidney disease. This simple addition may contribute to a lower incidence of end-stage renal disease. Brightening smiles, teeth whitening DIY. For a cost-effective teeth whitening solution, create your own dental paste by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with water. Gently apply the paste to your teeth once a week, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then rinse. This chemical-free method effectively whitens teeth and eliminates bacteria without harsh or questionable chemicals. Bacteria buster, combating harmful bacteria. Baking soda emerges as a potent agent against harmful bacteria, including Streptococcus mutans linked to dental cavities. Keep a water and baking soda solution in your bathroom to rinse your mouth after brushing your teeth. This simple practice can make a significant difference in oral hygiene. Fungus fighter, warding off fungal infections. Baking soda stands out as an effective remedy against various fungi responsible for skin and nail infections. Whether dealing with yeast or dermatophytes, applying a baking soda and water solution to the affected area for a few hours each day can yield noticeable improvements. Exercise support, enhancing athletic performance. Scientific studies indicate that pre-exercise consumption of baking soda, also known as bicarbonate loading, positively influences athletic performance. By buffering the buildup of chemicals like lactic acid and hydrogen ions during high-intensity workouts, baking soda helps the body endure more extended periods of intense exercise. Facial exfoliation, natural skin renewal. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dry skin from the face or body. Create a paste by combining a teaspoon of baking soda with water and gently massage it in circular motions on your face or skin. Regular use provides an affordable way to achieve smoother skin, but be mindful not to overuse to avoid disrupting the skin's pH balance. Skin irritation relief, soothing burns and rashes. Ease the discomfort of sunburns, allergic rashes, or skin affected by poison ivy by applying a paste made from a teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. Repeat as needed throughout the day to alleviate itching and irritation. Softening hands and feet, time-tested skin care. Baking soda has been a go-to for decades to soften rough skin on hands and feet. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water in a basin, soak your hands and feet for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Witness the rapid transformation as your skin becomes smoother and healthier each day. Cancer prevention, balancing pH for health. Maintaining a balanced pH in the body is crucial for preventing the proliferation of diseases. Baking soda, known for increasing the pH of acidic tumors without affecting the pH balance of healthy tissues and blood, has shown promising results in inhibiting spontaneous metastasis of breast cancer. Scientific research supports the potential of oral doses of baking soda in elevating tumor pH. Incorporating baking soda into your daily routine can be a game-changer for your overall well-being. However, it's essential to use it judiciously and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. Embrace the natural benefits of baking soda and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for new content. See you next time.